Hey, it's Shai Schwartzman here, your audio video coach, with another superstar interview. We have Nick Cuong. Nick, tell me a little bit about how you're using video in your business.
When it comes to lead generation, we will basically be sending it throughout our database, and we would use video because it's more interactive. It's not as boring as, like still shots, like for regular photos, right? Like in 2015, that was fine, right? But that's over a decade ago, so video is the way to go, and we find that there's more clicks from the potential, leads, right? Potential clients.
What types of videos would you use for lead generation, let's say, and what platforms?
You and I have actually, we've shot some videos before, right?
Yes.
To this day, I still use them, okay?
Yes.
And it would be great, and I'd use it on platforms such as YouTube, because YouTube today it's cable TV, right? And we all,
so those are the explainer videos that we do.
Yes, those things are amazing.
How to sell your home faster for top dollar, mistakes to avoid when selling your home,
Yes.
Your listing presentation on video, your buyer presentation on video.
We use that too. We also use it for
Right.
our presentations, because then we can actually show the client what we do differently, right? Because the thing is this, another realtor might actually do the same thing, but the thing is, because we're able to communicate it, we look way more professional.
You grew up in Scarborough.
Yes.
So you do a lot of videos where you visit different places in Scarborough.
Yes.
So tell me about the strategy behind that.
For realtors, especially in Toronto, if you want to be successful, right? Just like in the bigger cities, you're going to be working everywhere, right? Everyone believes that you have the choice of picking where you want to work, but it never works out that way, right? So the more that you show, like you're in different parts. Sometimes I'm in Hamilton, right, or Scarborough, and all that stuff,
Yes.
right? But it shows a different side of me, and then they kind of get to know me, and at the same time, they're like, wow, this guy actually works everywhere. So he's probably more knowledgeable than the average realtor. So it gives me an edge there.
What should they do next?
You should be shooting a drone up into the air in the area that you work in, right? Because if you do that, you start looking like the expert. You can actually point out things where people don't even think about. Let's say if you're in London, Ontario, right, and you want to go to Scarborough. We'll use Scarborough as an example, right? You don't know that there's parks here. You don't know that there's transportation there, right? We have to show that,
Aerial
right?
views.
Yes. That's one of the great things that it's really underutilized, because whenever people have to pay a bit more money, realtors, they say no, and guess what? It's a disservice to themselves and their clients. If you gave most people the option of either, reading a book or watching a movie, what do you think they would choose? It's always going to be video, right? It's going to be the movie, right? So that's why we do it that way, right? And the thing is, a lot of them, to save costs, they'll use those stitch photos, and it doesn't look professional.
So you're in the video. You give them a tour, like you're sort of branding yourself within that listing video. Do you do stuff like that?
Yes. One of the first things I'll say is, that's Nick Cuong. I guarantee to sell your home or I'll buy, right? We'll use the USP, because that's the most powerful thing right now, especially in this market, right?
You're using your listing videos not just to sell the house.
Right.
You're using it as a lead generator.
Correct. And it's one of those things where everyone believes that everybody knows a realtor. That is not true, because depending on your demographic, as they get older, they might have friends that were realtors. They're out of the business, all that stuff. So the thing is, you should always put your best foot forward for these videos, because they are great lead generators.
What's the best way to get started?
I saw everyone doing those videos, so I was like, you know what, I'll get someone. Don't ever try to do it yourself. It's the worst, right? You're gonna waste a bunch of time and a bunch of money. Don't bother doing it. So I just get a professional right here, have them do it.
That's very nice.
No, that's what I did, right? And you did a great job. And the thing is this, I saved so much more time, because I don't know how to edit things. This is not what I do, right? So it's a waste of time, right? Get a professional.